Yeah, here it is, Dyson V8 Animal. So it says that has 40 minutes free power. So after struggling with this machine, finally here it is, Dyson V8 Animal. It says digital motor, F8, more suction powder, advanced. Pretty nice, pretty cool machine. Over here, and here it is. Warranty, online, text, some papers. I guess later I check it. It comes with one specific brush for those tricky corners. Also comes with this for setup. And here's the tube. It says Animal. Comes with more. Here's the machine with all the specifications. Seems pretty good. You can do like a small vacuum, just you have to, and you have smaller for everything you need. You can just take it the same way. You don't need to have a bigger, and it's very handy for everything, every kind of surfaces inside the car. Like this device, it's the same as we have here, but smaller. So fantastic, awesome tool. $500. I think that we have received here this sticker, and it says that need to be charged, fully charged fully before use. So here it is.